Hi everyone, my name is Michael and I am the Crafty Crocheter, and today I'm just going to go over some basic news, what's going on with me, and show you a completed project I did recently, and show you my recent yarn haul. So what's going on with me, I haven't posted, I realized, in about over a week or so. I was on vacation. I went up to upstate New York for vacation, just to relax and get away from it all. And then, as for my completed project, I did a Easter bunny with a number 5 weighted yarn, did a little blue with safety eyes and a safety nose. I think it turned out really cute. And I also did some Easter eggs to go with it. I did a purple one, I did a blue and a green. These are pretty big eggs, so I thought it would look really cute. And if you want the pattern, I can post it in this video, or do a separate video with a tutorial on how to make this. Alright, so let's get on to the yarn haul. Yes, and most of the yarn I got in this bag I got from a Joann's in Penfield, New York. And then I got one skein of yarn from Hobby Lobby over in Victor, New York. So yeah, so let's get to it. And I went to my recent went to my local Joann's the other day, and I did see on their window that now they're slashing prices up to 60% off, but I'm assuming the 60% is for their fabric and not their yarn. So yarn is still at around 25% the last time I went. But when I went to the Joann's in Penfield, New York, I was rather surprised on how much yarn they had despite all the stores closing. So there was only one little shelving area where the yarn was bare, but all the other shelves where their yarn usually is fully stocked, and they had extra yarn out in the aisleways as well. So I was rather surprised. So I'm going to go ahead and go through this goodie bag with all my yarn and show you what I got. Alright, so I'll go with the Hobby Lobby one first, because the rest of them are from Joann's. This is I love this yarn, Hobby Lobby. I like working with this yarn, it's easy to work with. And the color I got is Brights. It just says the name Brights. And it looks like it has some greens, some reds, some blues, purples. It almost looks like, kind of reminds me of the City Lights yarn a little bit. But I may do some swatches with this one just to work with it. Now the rest of them are all from Joann's. And then I'm going to go over them right now. So this one, Big Twist, I think I got one similar to this, but it's not the exact same one. This is called Authentic. And this one is a medium weight yarn. It's a number 4 worsted weight yarn. It is the anti-pilling yarn, and I did show this in a other video from my other yarn haul video, so I thought I'd get some more. I was trying to find their inclusivity one, but that seems to be a unicorn. I can't seem to find it. So I may go to another Joann's near my area to see if I can find it, but I checked on their site and I cannot find the inclusivity yarn anywhere. So I guess it went fast. And the next one, also Big Twist, their living line, and this one is called Fun Brights, and you can see it has some like pastel colors. It's got some purples, lavenders, some light greens, oranges, a little bit of pink in here, some yellow. But again, I may do some swatches with this one. And the next one is also from their living line. This one is called Charcoal Vare. I think it's like a various different grays and whites, and a little bit of dark grays, if you can see up in the camera. So some grays here, a little bit darker grays, light grays, some whites. So again, we'll work with this one, do some swatches with that. And then the next one, this is their Big Twist Value from their line, and this one is called Rainbow Bright. And you can see there's some little bit of black in here, some purple, green, blue, a little bit of pink. So I'll probably do some swatches with that one. And this next one, this is also from Big Twist, their value brand. And this is a number 4 yarn, and this color is called candy bowl, and you can see some blue, some looks like some really dark green, and a little bit of pink, and some purple, lavender. I see a little bit of gold in here. You can see in the camera a little bit of gold. And this one's also from their Big Twist Living brand line. This one's called Serenity, and this one mostly has some reds and blues and maybe a little bit of purple in here. So this may be an interesting swatch yarn to work with. And then I got 3 skeins of this yarn. I may do another hat scarf combo. This is their Big Twist Tweed brand, and this one's dark green. And again, green is my favorite color, so that's why I went with it. But I also have some another different colors of this brand. But I got 3 of these. So that's number 2. And then the other 2, and then number 3. Then this next one is their Granny Square yarn from Red Heart. I liked the color combo. It was nice. This one is called Black Totally Teal. I don't know if you can see that. And this one's got some teal, obviously, and looks like there's some purple, black. It's got that black border action going on, but like teal and some like a little bit of sea green color going on. So I'm interested to see how this turns out. And then the last skein I have, excuse me, and this is their Flower Power, Red Heart Flower Power yarn. I'm going to work with this some more. And this color is called Red Hot Phlox. I don't know if you can see that on the camera. Yeah, so that is my yarn haul. Other than that, I'm currently working on an Afghan project, but I'm having some ideas in my head of what future videos I'm going to come out with. I may do the instructional video for the bunny. I may do some Tunisian crochet tutorials for some basic stitches I've been working on. I may do a tutorial for a Tunisian stitch of the week type of video, so stay tuned for that. I also may do like a stitch of the week for standard crocheting, and then I may also do a video for C2C crocheting or corner to corner crocheting. I've heard that term used a lot recently, and I was kind of curious of what it was, so I looked it up, and it seemed pretty straightforward. It's just a bunch of double crochets and slip stitches. So once I learn it and master the basics of it, I will do a tutorial video on that as well, and may even do a project tutorial, so stay tuned for that. Other than that, that's pretty much all I have for right now, and yeah, and I appreciate all my subscribers and all the positive feedback I've been getting recently, and I hope to get more subscribers and more positive feedback to help the channel grow, and maybe someday I may be monetized, but right now that's not my goal. I just want to get myself out there more and spread my message of crocheting, that crocheting is fun, it's therapeutic, and trying to get more male viewers, because a lot of men think that crocheting is for women and girls and so forth, and I started crocheting when I was 14, and my grandma taught me how to do the chain stitch, and then I just took it from there on my own. So yeah, that's pretty much my goal. I mean, I'm not going to try to spread it this only for men only. I mean, I just want to see more male subscribers and more men come out of the woodwork, say, hey, I like to crochet, and not be judged by it, because you know how societal norms are and how people judge people, and that's not right. So anyway, that's all I have for today, and again, once I get some more ideas formulated on how to go about the future videos, I will let you know. And if you have any suggestions or ideas for future videos that I haven't went over already, or that I haven't already posted, let me know, because this is learning for all, and it's a safe and creative space for everybody, and we all can learn from each other. Alright, so hope everyone's day is going well, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care of yourself and each other.